Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Happily Exhausted Mama. If you are new here, I am Shayoni, mom to a toddler, and I also share stuff about parenting, product reviews for both moms and babies on this channel. So if you're interested, make sure subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I am there as The Happily Exhausted Mama. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Love Lap moisturizing wipes for babies. Now baby wipes are super important to use because they're handy, they're convenient, and especially when you're traveling, going out of your house, you definitely need a pack of baby wipes in your diaper bag. I often carry baby wipes, not often, I always carry baby wipes with me, and I've used a ton of baby wipes from different brands in the market. The one that I'm currently using is the Love Lap moisturizing ones, so I'm going to give you a little bit of review on this product. Now Love Lap has other wipes as well, which I've also used. I'll put the images here. So I think they have sensitive wipes, they have water wipes as well, so you can check those out and let me know if you have used them. The moisturizing baby wipes have aloe vera and chamomile, and they are moisturizing and soothing and nourishing for your baby's skin. Especially in summer, I wanted something which is going to soothe the baby's skin, and this one fits the bill perfectly. This is vitamin E, it is aloe vera, it is chamomile, it is hypoallergenic, it is pH balanced, it is good for sensitive baby skin, and also it does not clog baby's pores whatsoever. They have ensured that no harsh chemicals are added to the product, so that your baby's skin remains safe. They can be very sensitive, so you need to ensure that you're using good quality baby wipes for your baby. Now baby wipes can be used, as I said, to clean baby's face, hands, obviously their diaper area after they've pooped, or if you just want to keep them fresh in between diaper changes, you can also use a wet wipe there. It becomes especially handy when you don't have access to water and you've gone somewhere and need to clean your baby up. That is when you will need baby wipes the most. So when you're traveling, it's an absolute must have in your diaper bag. Let me show you how the baby wipes look. So it has this resealable lid, which I think is super convenient. I usually check for lids like this before I buy a baby wipe, because I've seen if they don't have lids like this, then it dries up really quickly, and you want to avoid that after buying big packs like this. So you open the lid and you pull one out, and one comes out easily. It doesn't get tangled with the others, so you'll get only one when you pull them out. It's nice and a stretchy fabric, and I usually like to tear them up in half in case I don't need to use the full wipe and I don't want to waste it. You can see how easily that got torn, and so it's super soft. It holds a lot of moisture. So as you can see those drops of moisture falling. So if I do this, a lot of moisture, so they're nice and wet, and they can be used, as I said, to clean your baby's face. It's very soft, so it's not going to harm your baby's skin. It's very gentle on your baby's skin. So overall, these wipes have been great to use, and I'm definitely going to reorder these moisturizing wipes from Love Lap. If you have used these wipes, do let me know in the comments down below. The MRP of the product is 115 rupees for a pack of 72, and you always have discounts on them on Amazon, the Love Lap website, and even on First Cry, so you can check them out. Some important things to follow when you're using a wipe: make sure you never flush a wipe, use a dustbin. Also always seal this top back on if you want them to be wet for a longer period of time. And as I said, a hack: just tear them in half when you don't need the full wipe and you don't feel like wasting the full wipe. So overall, definitely a good product for your baby. Do let me know if you like this review, and I will see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.